Now let's move on to a perimeter problem. To find the perimeter of this shape, I have to first find this side over here x, which I'll call x, this side over here y, and then I simply add up all my sides. So I need to simply determine what x and y is, substitute them into the equation over on the right, and add them up. So I notice that over on the left, this side is 14. And so if that blue is 14, and this is 14. And the top piece is 4. And the whole piece is 14. So if I want to find the bottom part, which I've put in green here, that would be 14 minus 4, or 10. So I know that that line in green is 10. And if that line in green is 10, then this line in green is 10, so x is 10. Similarly, on the bottom, I see that my base is 30. I'll put it in yellow. And so if that's 30, then this line also in yellow is 30. And if this piece of the yellow line over here is 7, and the whole line is 30, then this red piece right here would be the difference of the two, or 30 minus 7, which would be 23. And if this piece right here is 23, then up top it is also 23. So I can substitute in 23 for y. Now I simply have to add up all the different sides of my compound shape, and when I do, I get 88. So the perimeter of this compound shape is 88. Next, I have to find the area of that same compound shape. And we learned from our last problem that the x is 10 and the y is 23. Now to find the area of a compound shape, I have to break it down into shapes that I know and can find the area for. So if I draw this line here, I'm going to create two rectangles, this one in blue and this one in red. And together, that compound shape is going to be equal to the blue piece plus the red piece. So first, let's figure out the blue piece. So it's a rectangle, so the formula is base times height. Substituting in base times height, I have 14 times 23. Multiply that out, and I get 322. Now we'll add the red piece, which again is base times height. Substitute in my values, 7 and 10. 7 times 10 is 70. So now I simply have to add the two up. 322 plus 70 equals 392. So the area of this compound shape is 392.